Hello guys, and welcome back to Racing Network here. And today we're going to be testing out the Red Ryder BB gun. So let's get started. So I'm going to shoot 5 shots at the target. Let's see how close I get. Here we go. My first one. Nothing came out that time. Let's try again. That's my second one. It's my third one. It's my fourth one. And last but not least, my fifth one. So let's go see how I did. Let me just take it off this. Okay, so we got 3 9s, we got 1 8, and almost a bullseye. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and see you next time.